Good morning, dear students. Hope you all have understood this lesson. So, let's start worksheet. Students, this is our second worksheet of chapter number 1, Local Time and Standard Time. Take your worksheet, write your name, roll number and division without fail. Now see the very first question, and that is, complete the statement by choosing the correct option. Number 1, the earth requires 24 hours to complete one rotation. In 1 hour, dash. Options are 5 longitude will face the sun, 10, 15 or 20 longitude will face the sun. Now see here, as we studied that the earth completes one rotation in a span of 24 hours. That means the earth turns 360 degree in 24 hours. We understand now the earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour. So, our answer will be 15 longitude will face the sun in 1 hour. So, right there 15 longitude will face the sun. Next question is, to calculate the difference between the local time of any two places on the earth, dash. See, for the calculation of local time of any two places on the earth, we need the difference in the degrees of their longitude. So, write the answer. The difference in degrees of their longitude should be known. Next is, the difference between the local time of any two consecutive longitude is dash. Options are 15 minutes, 4 minutes, 30 minutes and 60 minutes. Write the answer. 4 minutes. See students, you have to write complete answer in the bracket. Don't write options A or B. Okay. Now see the question number 4. As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow dash. Options are increases, decreases, is the same or none of the above. Now see here students and write the answer with your own. Okay. When we are outside on a sunny day, then we can see how our shadow changes throughout the day. As soon as the sun starts moving up in the sky after sunrise, the length of our shadow, yes, increases. So write the answer, increases. Number 5, the time of a place as decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its dash. Options are standard time, zonal time, local time or none of the above. Here the time of a place is decided by the location of the sun in the sky is known as its local time. So write the answer, local time. Question number 6 is, the local time of a place on the earth's surface is determined with reference to its dash. Options are same, known time, zonal time, local time or standard time. Means during rotation of the earth, when a particular longitude comes exactly in front of the sun, it is considered as the noon time or 12 noon on that longitude. So the local time is determined with reference to its noon time. Number 2, answer the following in one sentence. Question number 1 is, at which longitude does the date change? Answer is at 180 degree longitude. Second is, what is the direction of rotation of the earth? Obviously, it is west to east. Number 3, while the earth rotates, how many longitudes face the sun daily? Answer is all 360 degree longitudes face the sun daily. Question number 3 is, draw neat and label diagram of lines of latitude and longitude. Students, you have to draw this diagram on the back side of worksheet. Plain space is given to you for this diagram. Let's complete this worksheet and complete your notebook also. I will check your notebook very soon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.